You're watching the Selling Updates Destopnews. Welcome to the office.
A nauseous feeling in the office when you watch Team Vestas wheel grounded on this beautiful coral reef. Beware, some images in this report are very disturbing to watch. In a few seconds, you will discover the force of the impact when the boat crashes into the reef. It is pretty obvious that the crew has no idea where they are. A big mistake, a colossal mistake, a human error.
I'm going to look for water, Nico. It's all right. Sit up. Yes, yes. Hang on, guys. Welcome. Where's Louder? Harry, get on the line. Get the boat. Okay. Righto. Come on, let's get it filled.
For sure, Nico and his crew removed all the items they possibly could with the limited tools they had available. The crew is safe, and that's the priority.
Now the process for us is now to regroup in the next few days and try and see what the future can hold for us. It'll be, you know, I just feel like we can't let this team stop.
Sorry guys, but we don't care if Team Vestas resume racing or not. Sailing is a clean sport, and that pile of carbon cannot stay on this coral reef. So Nico, as skipper of the boat, or Knut as boss of the Volvo, please take this wreck away, urgently.